Hey y'all, Nathaniel Buckshot here from 1234 Doors TV, and on this video we're headed up to the Caney Fork River to beat the summer July heat and yeah, catch some fish. You in for a good show? Let it begin. I'm Nathaniel Buckshot and you're watching 1234 Outdoors TV.
My dad caught one already, but this is his dinner's been rough.
Day use only, no camping. Cool. Ooh, there are muskie here. Okay, this looks really promising. I even see some small fish over there. I don't think you can see that. But yeah, this looks really promising. We might have to do some casting out here. We'll see what we can't get. Over there looks good too. Got my bobber set right there. See it right there? Sorry, there's a car going by next to a truck. So right there, see my bobber. And right now, I'm gonna leave that alone, see if a fish takes it. But as of right now, I'm gonna try to fish with some muskie here, since we got muskie in here. Yeah, another little small one. This one looks like a little pumpkin seed sunfish. Not a very big catch, but we'd expect to do. We'd expect this is a little river area. So yeah, there we go. He's fine. Don't worry. All right. So little guy, little number two. I actually had to get this one. Actually had to go in the water to this one to get it removed from a rock. It's a little pumpkin seed. Yeah. Not really what I wanted to, what I'm hoping to catch, but too small. Is what it is. You know what? I'm gonna try scooping up some minnows. Maybe that would catch us a bigger fish. Alright, this is sight fishing at its finest. I actually saw this fish attack at the lure in the water and I watched it go down. So it happened I caught you right there in the shallows. Nice little, looks like a reddier sunfish, yeah. There he is. I don't know why I'm doing that. Go back to bed. Unfortunately, the big fish were not biting. I was hoping I'd get a muskie or a larger bass or a catfish, or maybe a trout, but they weren't biting. So yeah, that's fishing though. At least we caught fish in the summertime heat. It was baking out there, and they may have been the small pumpkin seed sunfish, but that's okay. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. New videos out almost every Fridays. And thank you for watching. I'm Nathaniel Buckshot. Have a good day.